look this one now?
Yeah. That one is like.
Oh my god! Taisha! I'm already fat. I don't need all this chocolate. Oh my god! Look at all this chocolate. Oh my gosh! I love it.
I know. Back to my channel. I'm Girl Shashatai, and I have my two sisters with me to help me to make an explosion box. And this is
Bree from It's a Real Bree.
and
Strika from Star Strika.
and today we'll be making a chocolate explosion box using cartridge paper. We already sectioned it out, so I don't know if you guys can see. Each one of us will have one of these. So this would be like the box. So we have like 3 of them. I'm going to do the big one. Bree will do this one. And Sirika will do this one.
Yes.
So
Because I don't want to do a big one.
the parts, bring it a little bit closer. Like these squares at the top, 4 in. I'm going to write an X on them.
Like right here. Like, the X. Like
The 2.5, 1.5 again, look. Alright. So I'm going to write an X on mine because I didn't write any yet.
What am I?
Yeah, right one thing. Put it 22.
Right.
So can you see the X? I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you're seeing it or not.
So guys, I did my X.
So where the X are, we are going to cut out that part where the X is.
Tasha,
Yes.
this is it like this or
Yeah, cut it. So,
follow the line here?
yeah, follow the line.
If we cut it out now, now the like then.
Yeah, cut it out, follow the line. Okay, so I cut out 1 square so far. Guys, please remember to like the video.
With the time.
Yes.
They really need to cut off.
Yes, you could have one that have the X. What? What
Oh, I don't know. Can you just remember all the little one then go? So things that difficult like that.
Just the ones with the X. So when I reach that part there. One more X down, one more square down. I have one more there. So guys, you can go and follow Brianna and Sirika on their YouTube channel. So the name of Sirika YouTube channel is Star Sirika.
Yes.
Star Sirika, and Bree's channel is It's a Girl Bree. So you guys can go over and subscribe to them. So this is how it would look. Bree's still cutting out her square. So
It's like a cross.
yeah, it should look like a cross. So, Sirika ruler.
Yes, our favorite color is pink.
And then you have to go press it on the table. So now we're just going to measure the ruler with the lines in the middle, and then
bend it.
fold it, crease it, then crease it.
This is a zero. Did one, guys.
Then crease it. Just crease it so put it in the middle. Put it on the table. Read it up on it.
Oh, wait, me, I something like that then too then?
Yeah, you gotta just put it this way and do it same way.
Oh.
So we're creasing each side.
So, I'm done.
It should look like a box. So it should look something like this.
Like this.
So there it goes. I could just fold it back. Look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. Do it like this to crease it some more. Remember, it's going to be a chocolate explosion box, so it should be able to can stand on its own. Okay. So now we have it like this. Put the rulers aside for now. And I open it up.
Where now I go? Then my one. Oh, my one now.
So it's going to set something like this.
Crease it too hard.
Yeah. It's going to look something like this. Okay, guys. So there you go, Sirika. We're getting the chocolates now. Time for the chocolates.
To eat. Then I'll go on.
Wait, anyone that fits. So here are some chocolates that will be going into it. And some gums.
There's another chocolate on there.
I'm going to show you which one is going to fit. Let's go put them down to size. Kit Kat. That's some mint. Yeah, let me put it here. Okay. Let's put these like right here. We have a little tiny thing. Okay. So we're going to see how much candy we can put on each one. I'm going to switch with Sirika because her box is tiny. So it's going to be hard to fit like the chocolates there.
Sad. Look. No.
Which one's going to fit? That one? We use a Kit Kat and then one of these bars. Too big.
That's why I like this one. And
Kit
here.
Kat and a twist.
Like this?
So a Kit Kat and a twist. Yep, we can use 3 of those on each side.
Wait, now? One figure in the middle?
Which one? No, nothing not supposed to be in the middle yet. Okay, so I have a tiny box. So show them what you're doing, Sirika.
So guys, I'm gluing the glue on the sweet candy and the candy. Putting the glue on the candy. So there.
So guys, because I can't find any smaller candies, I'm going to cut like these gums. Cut a piece off it so it can fit, and then I'm going to cut the box and then paste it. Show them in a minute.
So guys, there.
Okay,
I glue one on already.
so I'm going to cut. So when I measure it, guys, I would have to cut like these 2 gums off. No, it will be 4 in total in order for it to kind of fit. So I'm going to cut off these 4 cut it. Then I'm going to put it back into the box. Going to get my pencil to figure out, pinch it, then make a little line. I don't know if you guys can see, so I can know where to cut the box from. Gonna kind of bend the box so I can cut it a bit easier. And then,
Should I?
yeah, sure. Take up the box.
So guys, I put 3 of the, what's it called? Aerial on this box because they're bigger than the rest of them. And one more is there.
Wait, more supposed to be
In my bag.
in
In
the
the
bag.
On this. Here.
Wait, more clothes on here. And there is a bag right here.
Oh, one more. Just glue this on. And look at the picture really glue. You cover it here?
Did he measure it? Put it
Yeah.
the same way. So I have my little small squares. Going to paste it right here. So I'm going to put the glue on the box.
So you don't want to put
So-
it on the gum, right, Ty?
Yeah, because then you could like take the gum out this way when you open the box. So I'm gonna put it on the box.
Did 2 of my squares already? Now 2 left.
So this is how it looks. I'm gonna get a next flavor. So I had this
did
light blue. Do
two.
the same. Do this one.
And you're gonna drop
Cut off this side.
glitter on the dress.
We're gonna get like a staple slightly.
You know, they got also staple too.
Oh, which is the thing part. Okay. I'm going to cut it. How is it brewed? Okay. Alright, ready? So we have finished gluing on all this stuff on it. So here is the one with the gum. Here is, this one is a bit heavy, so I won't lift it up. Here is this one. And then the other one, the medium size one, has like Kit Kat and Twist. There it is. So we have our 3 boxes. So now it's time for us to do the lids. So here are the lids. These would be the lids. We already cut them. So we just need to like crease them and glue them together. So this one seems like it's already been creased.
You gotta get the ruler.
Yep. Okay, so let me show you Circa how to do it. Where's the glue?
Let me do the one at a time.
Hmm?
Let me do the one at a time.
Oh, here's the glue.
We are good enough?
Yep, we're going to be gluing them.
Wait,
Let me move this big everyone. Okay,
So
so
we're gonna go fit that
now
one.
we're going to make the lids. So we have a folding part here,
Can't go in
one here, and one here.
I'm going on
So, sorry, wait. Why you put the glue on your hand?
I said no, we don't tell you just for the job.
Okay. So when you fold it, it should look like this. So I'm going to put the glue on this end. Okay. And then just fold it like that. Then I use my finger and hold it in for a bit. See? I'm just like holding it together. So I'm going to use both glues. So put the glue on the tiny pieces. Using this one first. And then this one over it. Put extra hold. Fold it.
No, right. Why it's slippery is because you put enough on it.
For me?
No, sorry. Mm-hmm. Yeah. When I put the on that yet? No, like.
Guys, we have finished gluing the lids together. Here is one. Here's the baby one. And this is the big one. So now it's time for us to combine everything together. So first, we're going to get the medium-sized box right here. And I'm going to put glue in the middle of the big one.
Why?
So the
Oh,
box
yes,
has
so
glue.
that tape up on it.
I'm gonna put glue in the middle.
That'll be super.
The glue don't do it. And just drop it in the middle.
There's a few things this is in the middle, but that is just crazy.
I'm gonna press it down.
I'm trying to put this one on.
Time for the baby box. So the baby box is smaller, so I'm gonna put the glue on this part.
Baby box.
Alright. Then I'm going to put it down. Okay, guys. Got it. And I cut out some of the gums to fit in the middle of the small one. So I'm just going to cut them up in the middle. That one. Two. Straighten them a bit.
Just going to come down.
And then
Just put that on.
Then I'm gonna put the lid on it. Okay. Gotta push in all the sides. Push down the lid. And we got our small box so far. And then we're gonna bring up the other one. Okay, I'm going to need someone to like hold this part together. Right, hold on the bottom part. Here. Hold up, put it under necessary. Then I'm gonna squeeze the sides. Squeezing the sides. Okay.
I'm gonna follow with this one.
There we go. Squeezing the sides. Okay. And that one is on.
So guys, it looking good. This.
Now gotta put this one
Oh,
up.
you do it quite too.
Oh my god, don't want to get up. Hold on the bottom, hold on the end part. Someone that hold on the end part. Hold on the end of the bottom. Then gotta squeeze the top parts. squeeze them in and then push down the lid.
Ooh. You're not sure them my example of the open it down.
Yeah, we're gonna show you my example of it. We're gonna lock it up. Then push it down. And it's kind of puffy. Then we have, where it is.
The bowl.
We have a bow. A big pink bow to go on the top.
Favorite color, pink.
Okay, some
Looks
color.
purple. That just says fruit pink.
I don't know. It's pink. It has a pinkish road. I mean,
Because-
pink, purple.
Violet. What is stick tie? I love it.
It has a sticky layer
Yes.
on this
That's
side.
if you show them where all the ties.
So I'm peeling off this part
So you can get the sticky.
so I can get the sticky side. And then all I'm going to do is just paste it down. And there we go. Okay. So
Looks good.
guys, that's it. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and tell a friend to the next friend about Shy Shy Thai. And you can follow Brianna at It's a Girl Brie and Sirika at Star Siri.
And remember to go for the BHFP family. Yep.
And subscribe and leave a comment down below and tell us how did we do. And that's it for today. Bye bye, guys.
Remember they can't comment.